Hi, welcome back to my channel, and this is going to be another unboxing video, but it's going to be one of the last unboxing videos of January, and it's Feel Unique samples. And is it upside down? No, it's completely empty. But I've wrecked the box. It comes in like a bigger box, but I've ripped it. But anyway, so if you're new to Feel Unique sample service, I will give you a quick lowdown about what it's all about. But if you've seen it all before and you just want to see what samples I've picked for this month, then I will add a timestamp down below, so you're free to click forward. So Feel Unique do a sample service called Pick and Mix, and it entitles you to choose up to 5 samples just once a month for £3.95. No subscription needed whatsoever. You can only do it once a month, so say if you order on the 1st of February, you aren't able to reorder until the 1st of March. So it's a chance for you to try items before you buy them, which I think is really great. Some months are better than others. There used to be, I've got a feeling like last year or the year before, we had much better samples. The last couple of months have been a bit pants, in all honesty. They've been a bit boring, but maybe it's because I've had a lot of the items off there because I've been doing this now for probably nearly 2 years. But yes, I missed last month's, but this month I still struggle to find some new interesting samples to try, so this time I went for solely all men. So it's for my man. All the items I've chosen are for him, so hopefully he'll like them. So it costs £3.95. That includes shipping, but then once your items have been sent out to you, you do get a code put on your account to have £3.95 off your next purchase. You can't use it for another pick and mix, but you can use it to buy any of the beauty items. Feel Unique is a massive online beauty store. They sell everything beauty related, and there's some good deals in there as well, so it's worth, I think you can like keep them going for about 2 or 3 months, so you've got like nearly £10 worth of codes that you could use to buy something. So it's worth having a look, definitely. If you've never done it before, I do recommend having a look, because you never know, there might be something that might take your fancy. A lot of the samples tend to be like little sachets or little cards, or the perfumes are like 1ml, so they are super tiny, but sometimes you do have bigger ones. You just have to look through them all. I think there's like 10 pages of different samples you can go for, and yes, I said you can go up to 5. So I think that's it, so I'll just show you what I got this month. These are all the samples. So besides one on the end here, they're all Clarins men's skincare, and they're all 5ml, so a good sample size really, and hopefully he will like them. So I'll just open them up one by one to show you what they are in no particular order, so he's gonna have to do that work. I'll leave that up to him. So we've got one that says Shave. This is an aftershave soother, and Comfort Plus comforts. Inside all of them you've got a little leaflet, so giving you extra information, and then that's the little sample. So that's the first one. Next one, we've got a Gel Super Hydrate Super Moisture Gel Anti-Pollution and Toning, which is here. That's the outer packaging, and that's the packaging there. So that's the second one. Next we've got Age Control. He's gonna love me for these. He's like, are you trying to tell me something, Claire? But no, these are Line Control Balm, and this is Renews, Lifts and Firms. So that's the outer packaging. Ooh, and that's the inside there. Next we've got an Age Control again, and this is Line Control Cream for dry skin, and it renews, lifts and firms. What's the difference then? Oh, Line Control Balm. So this is a cream, and there you go. Here's those. And then lastly, we've got a CeraVe moisturising cream for dry to very dry skin, which he has got, and it's fragrance free, and it says moisturises and helps restore and protect skin barrier of the face and body. Why not keep to the skincare theme? So they didn't have any other Clarins, so I opted for this then. So I don't know what this one's like, but I thought they're 5ml, you know, give him a good chance to try them, see if he likes them, and if he does really like them, then he might go out and purchase them. Although Clarins, it is quite an expensive brand, isn't it? Clarins Men, though we're not sure how much they cost. But no, so those are all the items. So 5 items in all, quite good sizes as well. So my advice is to have a look if you haven't done so already, see if there's things there that interest you. If they are, then £3.95 is not going to break the bank. I think it's good. What I tend to do if I don't find items that takes my fancy, I opt for perfumes. So I have a load of perfumes, so I have done that in the past a few times as well. So always handy to pop in your handbag and things, and to try new perfumes as well. I forgot to say that there's no particular time or date that they release new samples. They just arrive when they arrive. So there's no point saying look on the 1st of every month, because you might miss out on new samples being added, you know, throughout the month. So it's a bit of a pain if you really want to get in there having to look regularly, but it's worth checking out every couple of weeks to see what new things are there and if there's anything that takes your fancy. We have had amazing things in the past, and I've had samples with a total worth of around £60–70, like Goof Proof, Benefit Goof Proof eye pencils and face masks and things like that. So it's well worth checking out. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So thanks for watching, and I'll speak to you soon. Take care. Bye.